Greetings, Coach T here. I'm inspired and motivated right now after doing my 2-mile cardio, stretching for a good minute. I was listening to Dr. Dharius Daniels teach about favor. And he came out of scriptures in Genesis, I want to say 6 and 8 verse, where Noah had favor from God to build the ark. And you can listen to the points from the write-up, but I would like to say how I related to my life real quick and say it as fast as possible so you can move on to doing what you need to do. But I hope this inspire, motivate, and encourage you, and I hope you share it with someone else if so. At the end of the day, I've been overwhelmed. Right now, I'm supposed to be on fall break, but I'm so busy working hard. I go to school to drop my son off for his coordination practice, and I thought I was going to be able to get some work done while the drill team and color guard working. However, I get tied up in a whole bunch of other things, and I can't do my school work for my college I'm in. And I end up doing a lot, but not the things I went in there for. And it's mighty funny how over a break, I'm still working on school stuff because there's so much to do. I am a new teacher in JROTC. I do have an educational background. I have taught for over 16 years beforehand as a PE teacher, a coach in health and social studies, but I never taught JROTC. So the blueprint is not prevalent, it's not easy, it's not something that I can do easily, but hey, it's a lot more work than I ever done before. I don't understand why we get paid as less as we get paid. I don't understand the amount of responsibility that they expect one person or two people to have, and having 9 different teams you got to coach, plus 9+ teams you got to coach, plus teach curriculum, plus train and mentor kids to be leaders, plus have staff meetings and leadership meetings, plus do everything the schools say, and then involve yourself in every event at the school. It's a lot, guys, it's a lot. So I don't know how, hats off to all the ROTC instructors that have been doing it for a long time. I never thought in a million years we'd have to do so many tasks at one time. And then keep building relationships, finding sponsors and finding speakers for events and hosting military balls, academic team, rifle team, drill team, armed and unarmed. The list keep going, man. Saber team, it's just crazy. So at the end of the day, it's a lot that's asked of you, and it's overwhelming. But again, because of the message that Dr. Dharius Daniels did today, it gave me hope that God has gave me favor. Before I left here and went active duty, he told me I'll come back as an ROTC instructor. I didn't know the challenges are gonna be for working at an all-black school. I didn't know the challenge was gonna be for, being in a high school environment. Didn't know the challenge was gonna be for being in ROTC. But again, God put you in the midst of it. You just gotta stand up and go. So Dr. Dharius talked about how God give you a green light, but you gotta press the gas to go. And right now, I'm just want to encourage you all, continue to press the gas, continue to take action, continue to believe, continue to have faith, continue to be humble, and continue to train, teach, and mentor others, because you never know what actions you're doing to improve others. So I hope that's motivational and encouraging for you. I know it was for me. Take care. Be safe.